Medical information RX, treatment HX, history DX, diagnosis Q, every QD, every day QH, every hour S, without double S, one and off C, with SOS if needed AC, before meals PC, after meals BID, twice a day TID, thrice a day QID, four time a day OD, once a day HS, bedtime double B, before breakfast BD, before dinner TW, twice a week SQ, subcutaneous IM, intramuscular ID, intradermal IV, intravenous Q4H, every 4 hour mg